Okay, this is before the renovation of the storage unit. We're going to, it's like 4.5 square meters. We're going to put up some shelving here, You can see we got power in here. If I can get some plumbing in here, maybe I can move into this thing. But yeah, so this is, this will be the storage unit. Okay, Ruslan came over. He's the builder. I have to set this camera for 50 hertz, I think. The lights are flickering, so that's like a hertz thing. So yeah, we got the workspace set up. We'll put these rails up with these shelves. This is pretty standard shelving. You can see I got everything Ukrainian flag, or arguably the Swedish flag, however you want to look at it. But it looks Ukrainian. Yeah, yellow, blue. So, yeah, yellow on the bottom, blue on the top. Yeah, so this is going to be cool. And this will really triple the space in here. Yeah, this room is really packed. Actually, I probably threw away around a third of the stuff today. It's always a good exercise to go through the storage room and clean everything out. Okay, more to come soon. All right. Ruslan is all finished. We've already started putting some stuff into the storage. So yeah, you can see we have a system here. We have a little bit of piece left over. There's one of these brackets or mounts left. So I'll probably be able to squeeze in a third shelf. Yeah, this turned out pretty cool. And he even moved the light down. So yeah, job well done. I think we just tripled the useful space in this storage.